All right, so there's a new LinkedIn strategy that I've been utilizing over the past week, actually over the past probably 2 weeks, where I've been able to get 10 qualified new recruiting leads each week. So I've got anywhere from 18 to 20 new leads that I'm currently working, that I've had demos with, conversations with. And for those of you that are looking to start your own recruiting business and you might be a little concerned about how you're going to get new recruiting clients, check out this strategy. You can literally apply it today. For those of you that are on a budget, this is a free strategy within your LinkedIn account. And I hope this helps each and every one of you that's watching. All right, so go into your LinkedIn account and click on this work grid up here. And then I want you to scroll down to learning. All right, now what learning is, LinkedIn has put in literally a library of any topic that you would want to learn about. Okay, so now the way you can use this to get new recruiting clients or passive job seekers, candidates. So if you're looking to build a candidate pipeline, this strategy right here can literally light up your calendar if you use the right way. And it's really easy, guys. So you come into the LinkedIn Learning Center and you simply type in a keyword up here. So I'm going off the cuff here. I haven't planned this video, but bear with me. So my ideal client profile, ideal customer profile for Recruitemy purposes would be a recruiter. Maybe there's a top producing recruiter that's working at an agency right now that, is maybe thinking about starting his or her own recruiting business. They know they're really good at recruiting. They're just maybe a little fearful of how they're going to set it up and how they're going to get clients. So let me just type in, recruiter or even recruiting, technical recruiting, LinkedIn recruiting. So I'm going to go ahead and pick, I'm just going to do technical recruiting and see what kind of classes there are here. All right. So you go through this. The idea is to type in your keyword up here. So think about a niche that you're currently working in within your recruiting agency or one that you want to get into, and type in that keyword and see what classes come up. So become a tech recruiter, right? Let's check this out. So these are people that might be thinking about, owning their own recruiting company or learning more about tech recruiting. So you go through the classes and I'll pick this one right here as an example. All right. So I'm not going to obviously watch this video lesson, but you could watch this video that LinkedIn provides.
Hi, my name is Ayub.
Let me turn this louder.
I'm here to take you through this program designed to demystify the world of IT.
Okay. So a person who would want to learn more about technical recruiting would watch this video and they would start commenting on it and like it, etc. So here are where all the great leads are. So if you go down to the bottom, there's typically an area where people can comment. Okay. So here's a recruiter. Will recommend 5 stars, Bincy Luke. There's a lead for me, right? So I would go to Bincy's LinkedIn page, connect with her, which I'll show you here in a second how you do that. Okay. But the idea is, here's all leads for me, for Recruitemy, that I can start connecting with and adding value to. All right. All recruiters. Okay. So again, think about this for your recruiting business. Maybe it's IT, network engineers, manufacturing, light industrial warehouse, but those could be hiring managers down here that are commenting on this training. Now, here is where the magic happens, guys. Right here, 1,766 people have put a thumbs up and liked this video. Okay, I have at my disposal right here 1,700 leads that I can go through if I want to. Technical recruiter at eBay, first degree connections here. All right, I can go through all these people, senior recruiters. These would be great leads for Recruitemy, for me to start developing relationships and add value for these folks to see if they want to start their own recruiting business, and I can help them do that. So amazing leads right here. So I've made it a habit. Every day I come to work in the morning, I spend 30 minutes and I do this exercise, and I'm going to send out 10 to 15 connection requests to my second and third degree leads right here. And what I'm going to do, and what I want you to start thinking about, is once you get these leads lined up, all right, you want to send them a message, and you want to make sure the message is compelling enough for them to connect with you. So you really want to strive for a 50% or more connection rate on LinkedIn. And so what I do is I've created this lead magnet that I spent $100 on 2 months ago. I went on to Upwork and hired a consultant, which you can do as well, and have them create something of value, a PDF like you're looking at right here that I created. Let me scroll down. Yep. And like this PDF, for example, will tell a recruiter how they can start getting new recruiting clients and hiring managers through LinkedIn, through video marketing, etc. And this is just content that I provide it for free for any recruiter to look at and start applying. And again, I don't care if they sign up with me or not. The bottom line is when you start adding value and giving people education and things they need to help them move their life forward and their business forward, that is rewarding enough and good things will come your way. So think about some type of value content that you can give to your niche, to your hiring managers, to your candidates, and then send that connection request on LinkedIn, like I just showed you, and say, hey, I've created this really great PDF guide on, how Java developers, what companies they like to work for. Just think about your niche. Or here's a report on, the supply chain and what's happening nowadays. If you're in light industrial or manufacturing, if you're in healthcare, give them something about healthcare. That's the idea, guys. I can't sit here and tell you the details of what your niche is and what you want to do, but bottom line is use the learning feature within LinkedIn, create your lead magnet, get that done. All right. Spend today and do it. And this will pay you for life. I literally have 18 amazing leads right now since applying this strategy that I spent $100 on to create a lead magnet. So anyways, guys, I hope that helps. Get after it.